Hi, so it's Saturday and I've already had like the worst day and I'm in such a bad mood. So, the only natural thing to do is to pick up my camera and document it. So I'm in literally the worst mood. I look so horrible. I woke up and I had this pimple on my face. So as if the world, and all of its shit wasn't enough, I am also in a very bad mood and I look like shit. I have this pimple on my face. I don't know if I should be talking about it because then it draws attention to it, but I'm gonna talk about it. Yeah, I have a pimple on my face that I just woke up to. So it's here. We love that. So I have literally nothing to do today. My only plan was to sit in the dark in my bed because I'm in such a bad mood. Do I want to talk about my bad mood? Do I really want to talk about my bad mood? No. So I'm not going to. Will I ever talk about the mood I'm in? Maybe not. But I just thought I wanted to document it because not every day is fun and all rainbows and sunshine and shit. Some days are just, I plan to vlog this weekend, but now my mood is bleh, so I don't really want to. But here I am. My face looks super like puffy. Ew, my hair looks really, really gross. I want to put it up or something. I think that's the move. I think I want to do like a face mask or something. I don't know. This is actually the first time I opened like my blinds to actually like let light in, and this weekend is supposed to be like complete like rain and like gloom, so that really adds to my negative feeling right now, doesn't it? Yeah, but I think I want to do a face mask. I think that's the move. So let's go to my bathroom. I'm doing the Pretty Animals by Mask Bar Tiger Moisturizing Sheet Mask to hopefully moisturize my face. I'm sorry if this is actually the first video you're watching of mine. I am usually way more cheerful than this. Oh, this is gonna be hilarious. This looks so stupid. It even has ears. Like, what am I supposed to do with the ears? Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to understand me, but I'll see you guys in 10 to 20 minutes because I look so funny. Oh my god, this looks so scary. It even has ears. Like, why is the ears necessary? I don't understand. I truly love this for you. This looks so funny, but it's been 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna take this off. Oof. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy and I'm on season 4 episode 11. This is all I've been doing. I don't know what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I'm gonna like walk on the treadmill for a little bit at like 4. I don't know. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I worked out. I didn't vlog it because I vlogged it in a day in my life. I'll link it in the cards. It's literally like so boring to watch. But I took a shower. That's why my hair looks really kind of weird looking. It's really damp. I literally just got out of the shower. Feeling a little bit better, but all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night is probably like watch Grey's Anatomy. The 20th, I'll be registering for courses for my 3rd year, and I'm stressed because half the courses that I need to take that are mandatory, they have like 3 seats left, and I'm so stressed. But yeah, I don't know. Is that like something people can relate to? I hope it is. Will I continue this vlog tomorrow? I don't really know.